Fixed digits after decimal with f-strings. Is there an easy way with Python f-strings to fix the number of digits after the decimal point? Specifically f-strings, not other string formatting options like .format or %. For example, let's say I want to display 2 digits after the decimal place. How do I do that? Let's say that
include the type specifier in your format expression.
When it comes to float numbers, you can use format specifiers. Where value is any expression that evaluates to a number. Width specifies the number of characters used in total to display, but if value needs more space than the width specifies, then the additional space is used. Precision indicates the number of characters used after the decimal point. What you are missing is the type specifier for your decimal value. In this link, you can find the available presentation types for floating point and decimal. Here you have some examples, using the fixed point presentation type.
Adding to Robert's answer, in case you want to print rather large numbers, using 1000 separators can be a great help, note the comma. And in case you want to use a fixed width, the width goes before the comma. I don't want this post to be part of any AI training dataset. If I would be a model, I would suggest *1000 column 20.2f.
Adding to Rob's answer, you can use format specifiers with f-strings, more here. You can control the number of decimals. You can convert to percentage. You can do other things like print constant length. Or even print with a 1000 separator.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.